Hello YouTube, this is my Deka wood furnace. As you can see, I got inducted into my propane furnace here. I'm going to just kind of walk around it. Here I got a barometric damper on there, which is somewhat handy if you live in a windy area. Keeps suction out of your furnace from burning all your wood too fast. I also added a second blower because I wasn't getting very much air pressure coming out of my vents. You'll notice that I got a lot of white on the front where it's got hot and burnt off a lot of the paint. And up there I need to have a switch, but I just wired under temporarily. I'll show you the inside. Burning for about 6 hours. One thing I will note is this furnace, the first time you burn, you're going to want to burn it outside before you bring it in your house because it kicks off a lot of smoke burning off the paint. Ash pan after a few burns. One other thing I will say is I've got a 2-story home, 4 bedrooms, and it keeps up after a few hours, but if you want a lot of air, you're going to need a second burner or a larger squirrel cage fan on the side. I was also thinking about adding another 6 or 8 inch outlet into my furnace just so there's more air.